Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Global. First, download the official application from your device's App Store. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements, such as at least 2 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection for optimal performance. Once installed, create or log into your account to access the game's main lobby. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, allowing you to dive into the action without technical hitches. Mastering the basic controls is essential for success. Use the left joystick to move your character and the right side of the screen to control the camera and aim precisely. Tap the prominent fire button to shoot and the scope button to zoom in on distant targets. When near items like weapons or health packs, simply tap their icons to pick them up. Practice these fundamental actions to navigate the battlefield effectively and engage enemies with confidence. To survive longer, prioritize landing in less populated areas to gather essential loot safely during the early game phases. Always stay within the shrinking safe zone to avoid taking continuous damage outside its boundaries. Effective communication with your teammates is vital. Utilize voice chat or quick messages for better coordination and strategic planning. These survival tips will significantly increase your chances of reaching the final circles and securing victory. To truly excel, practice with different weapon types and attachments to discover your preferred loadout for various combat scenarios. Learn to use environmental cover effectively and master peeking techniques to gain a tactical advantage in firefights. Consistently complete daily missions and actively participate in special events to earn valuable rewards and steadily improve your in-game rank. These advanced tactics and consistent effort will elevate your gameplay to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.